This is Lance mode car. And there's a Lance mode and a Lance mode and there's a giant engine. And this is what the engine looks like. And the engine looks like a car wheel. And it's got X on it and it's got white sheets. This is white sheet. And this is a black car. And it has 100 million kilometers an hour. And this is another black car. And it has an engine, and that makes it go really fast. It's massively spins. The engine makes it go really fast. And it has 1,000,000 kilometers an hour. And go 1 million per hour one day. And this is a blue car. And this is a blue car driving. And this is a blue car in the desert. This is a blue car in the desert. And this is a pink car can go 1,000,000 far away. And this is a black car, and he's opening his engine. And the engine makes it go really fast. And we're closing the engine. And this is blue-green car. And this is have a brown sheet. And this is blue and white car. It's going through the desert. And this is cyan, and this is white car in the mall. And this is a black car in the mall too. The most expensive car. And this is the black one, not the white one. We'll go 1,000,000 kilometers away. This is the white car. This is a white car and it's expensive, and it can go 1,000,000 kilometers away. This is black car. And this is black and brown car. I'm gonna go. This is the expensive black and brown car. And this is a brown car, and it's fast, and it's very expensive. It's 1 million. It's very expensive. This is distracted, and it's not very expensive. Wait, it's expensive? This is orange car. And it's very expensive and go 1,000,000 kilometers away. Yellow car, and it's spinning like Roblox gun. And it's very expensive and go 1,000,000 kilometers away. It's white car, and how is this bike? This is green car going through the ocean. White car going through the streets. And this is another white car, and very expensive and red eye. And this is the engine of that car. This is the and this is an engine that makes this car go really fast. It has black car. This is gray and white car and go very fast. And this is black car. Mom, I have to go to